Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the DG Direct Anti-Theft Video Doorbell. This is something I purchased off Amazon. I'll leave a link down below in the description, but this is a must-need if you have a Ring doorbell or video doorbell product. Now this is recommended for these Ring doorbell products here. There's also the Blink video doorbell. So if you guys have one of those, they also have a variety of different colors for the doorbell mount. I got the black one, and this is a metal piece, pretty sturdy, keeps it in line. This is the back panel piece right here, but basically it comes with not the doorbell camera, but it comes with everything else, where you can just basically attach it here. And I don't have a Ring doorbell, I have another one, but it does fit within this product, luckily. But again, check your product to see what comes out of it. They give you these rubberized panels as well, so you can build a place inside, which I do appreciate. Most likely I'm not going to be able to use this rubber gasket around the doorbell. I tried, but it's a little bit too thick. So most likely we'll have to use the other rubberized items they provided. So, which is fine. I think these will work out perfectly. And then what you want to do is once you connect it, you want to be able to place it on your doorbell, and you can tighten it with this. So I'm going to show you guys that here shortly.